Landlords, are your properties up to standards? With the potential extension of the Decent Home Standard to the private rented sector, it's time to get prepared or risk falling behind. In this video, we'll explore what this means for landlords and what you need to do to stay compliant. Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to our channel, where we provide expert advice to help landlords navigate the ever-changing rental market. Today, we're talking about the Decent Home Standard, which is historically applied to social housing, but is now set to expand to the private rented sector. We'll break down what's changing, how it affects you, and the steps you need to take to comply. So let's get started. What is a Decent Home Standard? The Decent Home Standard is a set criteria designed to ensure that properties meet minimum safety, comfort, and maintenance standards. Under this standard, a property must be free from serious hazard under the Housing Health and Safety Rated System, be in a reasonable state of repair, have modern facilities including bathrooms, kitchens and heating systems, and be adequately insulated and energy efficient. These standards are already required for social housing, and the government is now consulting on extending them to the private rented sector as part of its commitment to improve housing quality. While the specifics are still yet to be finalised, landlords must start preparing for the potential changes now. Why are these changes being introduced? The government's push to extend the Decent Home Standards to the private rentals is part of its effort to improve living conditions for tenants. A significant portion of the private rental sector still features older properties that don't actually meet modern expectations. By implementing these standards, the government aims to reduce health risks, improve energy efficiency, and create a fairer rental market. While this is great news for tenants, it means landlords must act to ensure their properties meet the required benchmarks. So how to assess if your property meets the standard? The first step to compliance is assessing your property. Start by conducting a thorough inspection using the Housing Health and Safety Rating System, which highlights potential hazards like damp, mould, or structural instability. Next, review the condition of your property's key features, such as the kitchen, bathroom, heating, and insulation. Are they in good repair and are they up to date? If not, you'll need to budget for upgrades. Finally, check your property's energy performance certificate. Is it at least a C rating? If not, you may need to make improvements, as energy efficiency is a key focus to these changes. If you're finding this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more landlord tips and updates. We are here to keep you informed and help you stay ahead of the curve. Steps to make your property compliant. Once you've assessed your property, it is time to act. Address safety hazards. Resolve issues flagged by the HHSRS, such as fixing structural damage or improving ventilation. Upgrade facilities, so replace outdated kitchens or bathrooms with more modern and durable alternatives. Improve energy efficiency. Install insulation, double glazing, or energy efficient heating systems to boost your EPC rating. Keep maintenance records. Document all repairs and upgrades to show compliance if ever needed. By starting now, you can spread the costs over time and avoid rushing when the standards are officially implemented. So what happens if you don't comply? If the Decent Home Standard is extended to the private rentals, local councils will likely enforce compliance. So landlords who fail to meet the standards could face fines, enforcement notices, or even restrictions on renting their properties. In addition, non-compliant properties may struggle to attract tenants as the rental market becomes more competitive. Staying ahead of the changes will not only protect your investment, but also ensure your property remains appealing to renters. Preparing your property for the Decent Home Standards might feel daunting, but it's an investment in the future on your rental business. By taking action now, you'll ensure the property meets modern expectations, avoid the penalties, and create a better experience for you and your tenant. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. We have a bunch of different videos covering varied topics for landlords on our channel. Please consider subscribing for future updates. We do also host quarterly webinars, which are completely free to attend. You can register through the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.